Hello everyone, I want to review our KENWOOD fridge. I have it around half a year now, and fridge is lovely and spacey. Just show you the size. It's really spacey, but it's big inside, but outside it's not too big. And they go closely. You can see and there is water dispenser. You can put water in here. You just open and you can fill water. And our cat came. Cosmo, I want to go in the fridge. Cosmo. And now this one is freezer. Space it to lots of space now, and it's very affordable price. And I heard so many people say it's noisy or anything. No, it's a very quiet freezer. It's not any loud noises or anything. Really very beautiful. It's so closely. So many space here. And with the freezer you get this ice cube making. And you can see see, unlock. You press and hold it for 3 seconds and it will lock for you. See? And you want to lock again, open, and after easy to regulate temperatures in here, you just press freezer and you can do up and down, or see, it's different modes, but I prefer 18. And fridge in here as well, same as well. You can press it, but I prefer 5, so I leave it 5. And in here you can as well mode. If you want for freezer, you can use fan or the frost, depend what you want to do, or freeze some past freeze fruits or vegetables. What I do with 18, and it is holiday mode. You can see as well in here. I do with ordinary. I stay with this one. Second. And fridge. Now, and just wait for a few seconds and it stops, and I will lock it. Should stop in a minute. I'll show you one more time. Freezer and fridge is doors. I maybe didn't show you good. It's very wide. It's not like very wide, but quite wide. And in here milk bottles. You know, when you have big milk bottles, you just can put in here and fit many of them. I'll show you now. See, it holds good. Many space in here, and they have 2 bottom. Here it is deep space here. Here's for here. This one shows for veg. That one is well for bottom veg. And here it is wine rack. And here it is one more. You can use it in here or top shelf. Really, this fridge freezer, it's very nice. And water dispenser, if you love cold water, it will be very good for you. With affordable price, and it's kind of lovely with temperature inside, easy to set, and especially from kids you can lock if you want. And what I can say, it's just beautiful, lovely fridge, but I'm really happy I have it for half year, and it's quite a lovely fridge. Just if you decide to get it, just don't be scared for first day when you turn on. It will be really hot on the sides because it's heated, and it will be noisy first night before it heats, but once it start to work, when it start to freeze and working like over 24-48 hours, it can be noisy, but after it's very quiet and beautiful fridge. I really love it, and I wanted to review that for you. So hopefully my video will help someone to make decision about your fridge freezer, because before I get it I was as well kind of didn't know or get it or no, because I looked as well in the reviews, but now I have it half year, and really if you want to affordable price, I am highly recommend it. And it's beautiful. It's black. If you decide, you can get silver or black, but I love kind of black more, and this black, it's so lovely. It's kind of, you can see it's glossy, shiny, but it's the marks, it's hard to see, you can see, but it's very easy to clean. You just beautiful fridge, highly recommend it. So okay, so bye. Hopefully I helped you someone to make a decision to get this fridge. Bye bye.